Now we need to sort out stores details about the account balance. Okay, so that's another thing that we need to assign to self. So we do something like self.balance equals 0. So as discussed before, each user is going to start with a balance of 0. So stores details about the account balance, that's sorted, which is going to be a 0 and start, and then we'll update it in the future. Now what functions do we have? Stores details about the amount. Right. So that's going to be in a bit. I'm going to explain what that means, and it says allows for deposits, withdrawals, and to view the balance. Let's do deposits first. So def deposits, then we need to put brackets, and in here I'm actually going to specify a argument. I need to know what amount the user wants to deposit, so I'm going to type in amount. So the user is going to have to enter a number in here because we need to know what amount he wants to deposit into his bank account. Now we do a colon, and then we do something like self.balance equals self.balance plus amount. Now what this does is it takes the balance, which is 0, and then it updates the balance with whatever it is at the moment. So right now it's 0. If it was 100, it would say 100, and then add it to whatever amount is going to be passed through here. Now you might argue, why is this not assigned to the object? If you want to, you can. You could do self.amount in here equals I don't know, because we need all the details from this, all the properties and all the methods from this object to be available to this method right here, and then also the amount that the user wants to deposit. So sorry about that, and let's do it again. So Johan equals bank Johan, 20, mail. Enter. Johan.deposit. Okay, now it says amount. So when it didn't say, I already knew there was something fishy. So 100, we're going to deposit 100 for now. And then it says account balance has been updated, 100. Now let's do Johan.deposit. Doing 400 for sure. And then you see, it updates based on whatever's in the amount. It doesn't go to 0. Now, when will this go to 0? It's going to go 0 when you actually exit the application, because all this data is stored in memory. It's not actually stored in a permanent database, it's just stored in temporary memory. So you can keep making deposits. So if I do another one, deposit let's make it 1000, so 500. And then it updates to 1000, my bad. And that's pretty much the deposit method completed.